In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your number in PayPal. This process is straightforward and essential for keeping your account secure and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. As you type PayPal into the search bar, the browser will display various results related to the service. It's crucial to ensure you are on the official PayPal website to avoid any phishing attempts. Look for the link that includes paypal.com in the URL. Once you find it, click on that link. This action will lead you directly to the PayPal homepage. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged into your PayPal account, you will be directed to your dashboard. If not, you will see a login screen. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This step is vital as it ensures that only you can make changes to your account settings. After logging in, you will be brought back to your PayPal dashboard, ready for the next step. Now click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. This icon resembles a small gear and is typically found near your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will take you to your account settings. Here you can manage various aspects of your account, including personal information, security settings, and payment methods. This step is important because it acts as a gateway to all the modifications you want to make regarding your account. From there, select the Account tab from the top submenu. Once you click on the Settings gear icon, you will see several tabs at the top of the screen. Look for the Account tab, which contains information about your account details. Clicking on this tab will display a list of options related to your account profile. It is essential to choose the correct tab to ensure you are in the right section for updating your phone number. After that, locate the Phone Numbers section under your Account Profile tab. In this area, you will see the phone numbers currently associated with your PayPal account. Having the correct phone number is crucial for security verification and for receiving important alerts about your account. This section will give you an overview of your existing phone numbers so you know what you are working with. Next, click plus Add New to type in a new number, or click Change next to your current primary number. If you are adding a new number, you will need to enter it manually. If you are changing an existing number, simply click on the Change option. This action allows you to update your primary contact number efficiently. This ensures you receive notifications and can recover your account if needed. Now select the phone type, either mobile or home, from the drop-down list. This selection helps PayPal categorize your phone number correctly. It is important to choose the right type because it can affect how you receive updates and alerts. After making your selection, you will be one step closer to updating your contact information. Finally, complete the verification to authorize the security swap. PayPal will typically send a code to your new number. You will need to enter this code in the provided field to confirm that you have access to the new number. This security measure is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized changes. Once you've completed this step, your new phone number will be successfully updated in your PayPal account. By following these steps, you have ensured your PayPal account remains secure and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.